guys, we're still gonna be trolling. What? We're gonna be trolling again. So hopefully we get a really good game.
This time, I'm making the game.
Alright, I'm in. Now we just gotta wait.
That was fun.
Just gotta wait for people.
Is it gonna be random?
Yeah.
Just let you know this is. Oh, there you go.
Hello?
Game's done.
Alright, game. No.
Nothing.
Hello? 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 Can't give him if he doesn't talk.
It's fun though. I'm gonna fight you. Join the game.
Are they talking?
I'm not in game chat right now.
Hello?
Hello?
Joker? Hello? Hello? Anybody talk? Please tell me if anyone can talk. Well, then you guys are all faggots. I can't afford to buy a freaking mic.
Yeah, I think I can. Yes, I did. Now you all come up.
Alright, should we all have to separate and find parts on ourselves, okay? So everyone separate, Panther, you come over here, everyone separate, fat apple, get away from me.
Really?
Why the hell are you following me, you dumb circus clown? Yeah, let's love that. What? Well, that's what we expect. Whoever's that guy right here, stand still, stand still. We're gonna do a flying glitch, alright? Stand there. Turn your flashlight off. Good. And we'll all turn our flashlight off. No, stay there. If you want to fly, stay there. Now, me and you gotta go in front of the white noise guy and run around in circles. If you don't do it, then you're not gonna fly. Go in front of the guy over there that's flying around. No, yeah, we did it last time. We actually flew up in the sky, and we actually.
And you can see everything.
Yeah, you can see everything around the map. So go in front of the white noise guy right? And just stare at him and spin around. At least 3 times.
Every Christmas game, and so they can know about it.
Come on, whoever's the eldest gotta do it. Or alright. If no one's gonna do it, then no one's gonna fly today. So if you guys see him, go in front of him, go spin around 3 times with your flashlight on. Now look at him, go 3 times, flashlight off.
I know
Look at him.
that, but I actually love it.
Guys, he's right over here, go look at him. Good job! Now you just got trolled, and we're on YouTube, so... Nice. Nice job, idiot.
What?
The guy just got killed by Slender. What are we gonna do with this clown? And the clown guy will make it for you. I'm gonna be a second to my dad. No.
Why not?
This stupid retard over here. Alright, whoever wants to fly, go over there, or do anything. Press the window and guide it, because there is a glitch. Again, as I was gonna say, there is a glitch to actually kneel down or sprint or whatever the hell you call that in your days. So, okay.
Tiger,
Yeah?
behind you.
What?
Behind you.
Are you sure you find me?
Yeah.
Alright, wait. No, he's not, you liar.
Go for it.
Alright guys, hit the like button and subscribe. Please subscribe.